Hey guys, this is RazvanDragos, and today we have an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro. This is the Sierra Blue version, 256 gigabytes. That's the box that it comes in with. Very simple. And it opens like this. And here you have the phone itself. This is that new color. Very nice. And it pulls out. On the bottom we have the charging port, the microphone and the speakers, and an antenna band. On the right we got the power button and another antenna band. Nothing on top. And then left side is the mute switch and the volume up and down, and the SIM card tray. And this is the new notch. As you can see, the speaker is up at the top. Now it's a little bit smaller. And then on the back we got the new cameras, which are much bigger. Feels very nice overall with the square body, just like the 12 Pro. Let's see what else comes in the box. We also got a charging cable, USB-C to Lightning, and of course it's in white. And we got some documentation and nothing else. It's a little bit less blue than we thought, but it's very nice. The frosted back. This was RazvanDragos, and thank you for watching.